Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to boost your Muzz account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Muzz account. Now on your screen you can see options like Marries, Explore, Chat and Menu. Under Menu you can see various options: editing profiles, search filters, settings, etc. You have to scroll up and at the top right corner you can see green icon with boost option. Tap on it, then you can see they're gonna prompt you saying that boosting between 6 PM and 11 PM will give you the best results. Well, it's upon you. You just have to tap on use it now. Then they're gonna start boosting your account. And guys, that's it. That's how you boost your account on Muzz. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.